What if I told you that you've been using AI for years, long before you ever heard the name ChatGPT? And what if the robot apocalypse everyone fears is just a giant misunderstanding? Forget sentient robots and superbrains. At its core, artificial intelligence is much simpler. Think of it less as a brain and more as a super-powered pattern-matching machine. It's designed to look at massive amounts of information, find the patterns, and then use those patterns to make a prediction or a decision. That's it. That's the fundamental secret. From recommending your next song to identifying a cat in a photo, it's all about recognizing patterns. The AI we have today is called artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI. The key word is narrow. It's a specialist, incredibly good at one specific task. It can beat the best human at chess, but it can't even tell you how to make a cup of tea. Its intelligence is a mile deep, but only an inch wide. Then there's the sci-fi dream, artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This is a hypothetical AI with the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge just like a human. Crucially, this does not exist. We are nowhere near creating a machine with the common sense and adaptability of a human child. So how does an AI learn to spot these patterns? Through a process called machine learning. Think of it like teaching a toddler to identify a dog. You don't write a billion rules for dogginess. You just show it thousands of pictures, saying dog or not a dog. With every mistake, the machine makes a tiny adjustment to its internal logic. After millions of examples, it gets incredibly accurate at spotting the patterns that define dog. This brings us to the biggest type, consciousness. Is AI thinking or feeling? The short answer is no. Advanced chatbots are like super-powered parrots. They've analyzed nearly the entire internet to learn the patterns of human language. They are predicting the next most logical word in a sequence. It's sophisticated mimicry, not genuine understanding or emotion. The next big hype is that AI will take all our jobs. History shows that technology doesn't just eliminate jobs, it changes them. The Industrial Revolution didn't end work. It created new jobs like factory management and machine maintenance. AI is similar. It's a tool, a powerful co-pilot. It will automate repetitive tasks, freeing up humans to focus on creativity, strategy, and problem solving, things that require true general intelligence. So, where is the real AI you're already using? It's often hiding in plain sight, doing the boring stuff. Your email spam filter? That's machine learning. Your streaming services recommendations? AI. That GPS app that reroutes you around a traffic jam? That's AI predicting patterns. Even your online shopping suggestions and the way your social media feed is ordered are all driven by these pattern-matching engines. It's not one giant AI brain in the sky. It's millions of small, specialized, narrow AIs, each trained for one specific, useful task. This doesn't mean there are no risks. The real concerns aren't about robot uprisings, but about human issues, like bias in the data we use to train AI. If an AI is trained on biased historical data, it will learn and amplify those biases in its decisions, from loan applications to medical diagnoses. We also have to consider privacy and how our data is used to power these systems. These are the important conversations we need to be having. On the flip side, the benefits are immense. AI is helping scientists discover new medicines, making technology more accessible for people with disabilities, and helping us model complex systems like climate change to find better solutions. It's a tool for augmenting human intelligence, not replacing it. So AI isn't magic, and it's not the monster from the movies. It's a powerful tool built on statistics and a whole lot of data. Understanding the basics is the first step to cutting through the hype and using this technology wisely and ethically. So next time you use your phone, think about the invisible intelligence helping you. It's not science fiction. It's just really, really clever math.